Alright, y'all. So today we're gonna unbox this kit I received from a company called GlassParency. They specialize in car care products, auto detailing products. As you guys have heard recently, we're getting involved in the auto detail side of the business, and so I love working with companies like this to try out their products and just have an idea of how these products work real time on customers' cars, my cars, all that. You'll see here they provided us, first thing we're seeing here is just all the nozzles for the different bottles they provided us here. So that's really nice. I think nozzles are usually a hit or miss. So I'm definitely curious to see how these work out. It's always good to have spares on hand, and you'll see in a few minutes here, once we start, putting these together and using them. Okay, so inside the box, we have a bunch of bottles. Here is the tire dressing or tire shine. Looks like a pretty good product here so far. And we'll go ahead and use this at the end just to make sure we can shine up the wheels real nice and make sure those tires are popping. Next up, multi-use cleaner. I always love concoctions like this. You can use it for multiple things, cleaning grease, grime, dirt. So really nice there. Here are some caps. Looks like to me just, if you have a couple of open bottles and you don't need to use them, just extra caps in case you lose the one. Here we got S3 soap, ceramic soap, ceramic silica soap. So that's interesting. I got a product called Boost here, which is meant for surface cleaning, multi-use sealant. Nice. Alright, silica waterless wash. Curious to see how this will work out in a upcoming video when we do a waterless car wash. Wheel and metal. So if you guys are familiar, this is the stuff that breaks out all that brake dust and grime and just road debris. Non-acid cleaner, which is great, so it's not going to affect your painted calipers or any nice parts you might have under the brake side of things. So now we'll go ahead and start using some of these products here, putting them together, and just going through the steps here of applying these products and getting your wheels clean. What's cracking, y'all? PK from Smoke Rubber. Here's just a quick video we did on using GlassParency car care products. It's just a quick review video showing us the products that I received my kit, GlassParency. Thank you so much, really appreciate it. I want to tell you guys that I really enjoyed these products. I mean, the finish came out great. The product works amazing. It really took care of how dirty my wheels were, and they basically look factory new right now, you know, minus all the rock chips. But anyway, great product. My only feedback would be is that the kit I received, the nozzles that were supplied, you know, for some reason they stuck, and it seemed like even after I tried a different nozzle, I still had the same problem. So luckily I had a couple of spare spray nozzles of my own, just for my own detailing supply. And luckily I was able to still spray on the product quite well. And yeah, again, guys, the products these guys have are really worth it. I'll leave a link in the description below with the promo code Smoked Rubber. Go ahead and use that to get a discount on GlassParency products. Buy with confidence. It's a great product. You won't be disappointed. I really enjoyed it. And the great thing is, using these products in the right manner will, you know, keep your wheels cleaner longer and, you know, maintain the finish. So. Definitely a great set of products to have in your arsenal. We've only just kind of reviewed a couple of the wheel cleaning and wheel care products here, and I'll leave the links to the other tools I use, such as the guard that applied the tire shine, the tire dressing, and the brush that I used to clean the grit. But yeah, anyway, there'll be another video coming up with the rest of the products, just detailing their use over detailing a car, cleaning it, maintaining things like that. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And until next time, y'all, peace. Oh yeah, I also received the FCP Euro box here, which contains the valve cover gaskets, the upper timing chain cover gaskets, as well as the fan clutch. I opted to not get the tools from them, so I'll be doing something different to see how I can attack that job. But anyway, at least the Beamer's going to get some love next, so stay tuned for an upcoming video or videos on that. Thanks!